Good morning, children. In the last class, I told you the bell offer 3 lesson. Very interesting and neat, beautiful lesson, no? Have you all read the pages? Very good. Now see here, in this class, I want to tell you new words, meanings, opposites, tenses, degrees. And only 4 questions are there. That 4 questions I will tell you. I will send you the photo, just you go through, okay? No need to write anywhere. If you want to write, take a screenshot or pause the video and note in the rub book, okay? Just you learn. Listen, new words. The first word is announced. What is the first word? Repeat after me. Announced. A-N-N-O-U-N-C-E-D. Announced. Announced. Next, wisdom. W-I-S-D-O-M. Wisdom. Grabbed. G-R-A-B-B-E-D. Grabbed. Adventure. A-D-V-E-N-T-U-R-E. Adventure. Okay. Next, teased. T-E-A-S-E-D. Teased. Judge. J-U-D-G-E. Judge. Soldier. S-O-L-D-I-E-R. Soldier. Hurried. H-U-R-R-I-E-D. Hurried. Okay. Learn these words and ask your parents to make you to write dictation. Okay. Very easy words. Once ask them, or otherwise you close the phone and you write the words without seeing. Okay. Learn spellings well. Then only it will be easy for you to write answers, question and answers. Next, meanings. Faithful, loyal. Loyal means న్యాయంగా నమ్మకంగా ఉండడం అన్నమాట. Faithful meaning loyal. L-O-Y-A-L. Loyal. Ragged. Ragged means పాతగా ఉండి చిరిగిపోయినట్టు ఉండడం. Old and torn. Ragged. Graze. Eat grass. Eat grass. Permission. Allowing somebody to do something. Okay. If you want to do anything, you will take permission. Like that, allowing somebody to do something. Wandered. Walking slowly with no plan. Horse wandered in the story, no? That's the word wandered. Walking slowly with no plan. Okay. Note down this in your book. Next, opposites. Next, opposites. King. King opposite. Very good. Queen. Forgot. Remember. Remember. Long. Short. Old. Young. Shut. Open. Empty. Empty means ఖాళీగా ఉండడం. Full. Empty bottle. Empty vessel. Okay. Listen. King, queen. Forgot, remember. Long, short. Old, young. Shut, open. Empty, slow. Next, tenses. Present tense, past tense, past participle. First one, ring. Ring, rang, rung. Ring, rang, rung. Second one, keep, kept, kept. Third one, hang. Third one, eat, ate, eaten. Fourth one, take, took, taken. Okay? Take a screenshot and write in rub book. Okay? Yeah, okay. Opposite sentences you copied now. Now degrees. So positive, comparative and superlative. So first one, great, greater, greatest. Degrees are nothing but adjectives. So describing words. So great wall of China, or great person. So person is noun, great is describing word. Describing words are called adjective. Okay. Next, second one, old, older, oldest. Old, older, oldest. Third one, long, longer, longest. So these 3 degrees you copy down in your book and learn once. Take a screenshot or pause the video and write down. Next, question and answers. Only 3 questions are there in this lesson. Once I will repeat the questions and you learn the spellings also. Okay. What was the King John well known for? What was the King John well known for? So these answers I will post the 4 answers in your group. Please copy down. Okay. Just I will explain. You repeat after me. The King John was well known for his goodness and wisdom. So Atri town king was there. Italian king is there. No, John. What was his name? John. In lesson I told you, no. So he was a very good person. The King John was well known for his goodness and wisdom. What did the king order for the town of Atri? So for town of Atri, for the people who are living in town of Atri, to avoid the wrongs, to avoid the mistakes. So what he hanged in the town, center of the town? Bell. Okay. The king ordered a great bell for the town of Atri. Why was the horse looking for something to eat? The horse was looking for something to eat because it was hungry. Horse తిరుగుతూ ఉంది కదా town లో. ఎందుకని? Because it was hungry. It was searching for the food. Next, what are the good qualities that you think the judge had? So the judge was a very good person. He used to avoid the mistakes. So he used to go and give good justice to the people. So what are the good qualities? I thought the judge had a good quality of correcting wrongs done by the people of Atri. Atriలో ఎవరైతే wrongs చేస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళందరినీ కూడా కరెక్ట్ చేస్తాడనమాట జడ్జ్, టౌన్ జడ్జ్. ఓకే. Okay children, revise the meanings, opposites, tenses, degrees and these 4 question and answers. And the lesson also, once you read, take your parents' help and you have to go through. Okay. So new words, opposites, learn well spellings. Okay ma. And textual exercise, one textual exercise is there. So one textual exercise I want to explain you. A and the. You know the articles? What are articles? A and the. So where we use a, where we use an, where we use the. In the last year grammatry I told you that before consonants we use a article. Before vowels we use an article. Before the verbs and nouns we use the. Okay. Before nouns, remember that before nouns we use the. The Himalayas, the Ganga, the Godavari, the Penna river, the Hindu, paper names. Okay. The New Delhi. Before cities names. Before nouns we have to use the. Okay. And before consonants. What are consonants you know? Except I, A, E, I, O, U letters. Remaining all the letters in A to Z are called consonants. Okay. Vowels only 5. A, E, I, O, U. Vowels. What are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Regarding these articles, I will send you one worksheet. Go through that worksheet. Revise the worksheet. Then it will be easy for you to write A and the. Where to write A, where to write an, and where to write the. Okay. Clear for you? Okay children. Now in the textbook one exercise is there. I will post this in your group. You just try to write. Okay. Here some occupations they have given professional peoples. I correct, they gave that in the box: musicians, astronomer, plumber, cashier, acrobats, sculptor and judge. Okay. I correct people who do something wrong. I am a, who is that person? Judge. Every night I look at the moon, the planets and the stars. I am an astronomer. So who sees from the telescope to stars and planets? Astronomers. Okay. I make statues. I am a sculptor. అంటే బొమ్మలు చేసే వాళ్ళని ఏమంటారు? తప్పులు సరిదిద్దే వాళ్ళని ఏమంటారు? సో ప్రొఫెషనల్ పీపుల్ వాళ్ళ ఆక్యుపేషన్స్ని బట్టి మనం ఆ పీపుల్ నేమ్ చెప్పాలన్నమాట. నెక్స్ట్ ప్లంబర్, those who repairs our taps and pipes. Okay. Next acrobats. So in circus we perform, though people who perform aerobics in the circus. Next cashier, I collect money at a store or supermarket. When you go to the supermarket or when you go to DMart or more, some persons are sitting and collecting the cash. Those persons we call them as cashiers. Next musicians, we play in a band. So band of musicians. Okay. Okay ma, enough for today, and I will post the worksheet. You please complete it and learn the questions very well. Okay, bye children, take care.